Hello, I am still cuddling. Sometimes people ask me, hey, are you still doing the thing? I'm like, yeah, I'm still cuddling. Still here, but of course, I've been really quiet. I'm Janet Trevino, and I do professional cuddling in San Antonio, Texas, but I am traveling. I know some of you also asked, hey, when are you going to be in my city? Or I don't do that regularly, but if it works out, I do travel. And I am traveling for the holidays back to seeing where I grew up. So a little town called Plano, Illinois. I will be there starting this Saturday through the 27th, which I think is a Friday. I realize this is last minute for all of you who are watching this, but if it works out, it works out. I will have opportunities to travel within probably about 15, 20 minutes from the home. There's a travel fee, but if you come to Plano, or if you're right next to Plano, like there's a hotel right by there. I think it's called the Montclair. I don't remember actually at this point. I'm willing to waive any travel fees. So there you go. If you're wanting to see me while I'm in Illinois, please, I guess, send me a text message. That number is, real quick, get a piece of paper, get a pen, 9976, all right. 210-901-9976. I believe there is also somewhere, if you're watching this from YouTube, there is a, the number should be in the link somewhere. So there is Illinois, if that's close to you. Also, I'm going to Las Vegas, my first Vegas trip. Yay. And it's I get like real trip. Like I drove through Las Vegas one time, it took 15 minutes, right? So like that doesn't really count, but I'm actually going to be there for multiple days, and that will be January 14th through the 19th. I'm flying in on the 14th. So I have like open windows of time. I don't have a lot of time since I'm going to some fancy events. I'm going to go see the Eagles at the Sphere, which I guess the Sphere is like a big deal. I watched a video of it, pretty phenomenal. So I get my first Sphere experience, and I'm going to go see the Eagles, which also reminds me I need to get back on Spotify and listen to some other stuff, because I don't even know if I know, all the things of the Eagles. At the same time, let me think real quick. I got a little distracted there. Las Vegas. So there's just going to be some moments like in the mornings, early afternoon that might work. I will be trying to do some fun evening activities. But if this is you, reach out, let me know. My cuddle number is 210-901-9976, and we'll make it work. Just as those of you who are brand new to this is not something that you just say, hey, this is where I want it, or this is how I want the session, can you just come to me, or can I come to you? Like, it's not, I do require a phone call, which honestly is like one of the hardest things to come by. Sometimes that first call is hard to like arrange schedules and making sure that we both can talk. And it's sometimes a little bit hard for me to do those calls, because I need to make sure I'm in a space where it's quiet and I can focus and I'm not distracted, I'm not driving or something like that, because I take notes. So I do apologize. I require patience for that part. But once that's all set up and once we're good, then scheduling is really easy. So again, 2 things. There are more things coming. I am planning a trip to Norfolk, Virginia, and probably back to, I've been traveling to the Sarasota area Florida, without letting all y'all know, because it's been an exclusive trip to seeing one particular person, but there might be possibilities of me kind of expanding out a bit. So we'll see. But one day I'll make it to New York. I know somebody out there like, when are you going to come to New York and New Jersey? There's some talks about that as well. There's some other cities. California is a big one too, asking. I'd love to go to California again. I've done that multiple times. Just a matter of just making it all work. So I wish you all the best. Oh, by the way, this is the first video of my new place. Yay. So this is the window. I'm facing the cuddle space, which it's not quite like I wanted to show you, so it's not there, but this is a wonderful new place that I've built. This is brand new, my energy, my vision, and I'm really super excited. So I will show you all when it feels like it's ready. It is ready. I'm using it for work, but it is not like I'd like it yet, and we'll get there. But anyway, get to see kind of the plant and pretty window, nice light. Makes me really happy. Okay.